Is polyurethane more expensive than mudjacking?
Our smart lift system utilizing polyurethane is very competitive to mudjacking. When you consider the longevity of the repair, our polyurethane is definitely more economical. Mudjacking, we find, is typically overpriced for what it is that you're getting. However, beware, there are poly providers that are going to be more expensive than mud. These are typically companies that are adding polyurethane onto their core services. These are typically waterproofing companies, concrete installation companies, companies that do garage floor coatings, things like that. They have their core services that sustain them, meaning they're just not as motivated to be cost competitive when it comes to polyurethane concrete raising. Acme Concrete Raising Repair, we specialize in polyurethane concrete raising. It's what we do every day, and we're very good at it, we're very efficient, and we're very cost competitive.